7th standard students. Welcome back. Namaste. We were discussing about the lesson comparing quantities, isn't it? Hi Anna. सब example try this सब समझ में आया? Now coming to the exercise 8.2. Convert the given fractional numbers to percent. So फ्रैक्शन को परसेंट में कन्वर्ट करने का है. तो कैसे करने का? कोई भी किसी को भी परसेंट में कन्वर्ट करने का है तो मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 100. सो 1/8 इंटू 100 इज इक्वल टू, सो 4 के टेबल में 4 2s are 4, 25s are, है ना. इट इज 25/2 is equal to 12.5%, or it can be written as 12.5%. Is it clear? Now coming to 5/4. So 5/4 into 100. Now 4 1s are 4 25s are 25 5s are will be 125 and put percent sign. Now coming to 3/40 into 100. Now 0 0 cut, isn't it? Now it will be 2 2s are 2 5s are. So it will be 3 5s are 15/2. 2 how much are? 2 7s are 14. 1 remains. So denominator is 2. 7 1/2% or 7.5%. Now coming to next question, 2/7 into 100. There is no cutting, so it will be 200/7. 7 how much are? 7 2s are 14. 14, so 6 remains. So 7 8s are 56. Now 4 remains. Denominator is 7. 28 4/7%. Clear? Now coming to convert the given decimal fractions to percent. Decimal. So again into percent means multiplied by 100 into 100 and put the bracket and put the percentage sign. So into 100 means what it will be? It will move to the otherwise you can write 65/100 into 100%. 100 ones are 100 ones are, that is 65%. Otherwise you can see directly the into 100 means the decimal moves 2 steps to the right. Like that also you can see. Otherwise this method. Now 2.1 into 100% is equal to 2.1 is written as 21/1 decimal, so by 10 into 100. Now 10 cut, it will be 21 and 0. So 210, 210%. Now here the third is 0.02 to convert into percent multiplied by 100% is equal to 0.02 can be written as 2/2 decimal. So it is divided by 100 into 100%. So 100 ones are 100 ones are, so it will be 2%. Now it is 12.35 into 100%. So 12.35 is written as 1235 without the decimal, and denominator 2 decimal. So divide by 100 into 100. So this is written as like this. Okay. Now this is 100 ones are 100 ones are. So how much it will be? 1235%. Is it clear? So first and second questions over. Now coming to the third question. Okay, third question. It is estimate what part of the figure is colored. Estimate what part of the figure is colored and hence find the percent which is colored. So first write the part, means in the fraction. So here while seeing it is a 4 parts are there, isn't it? ऐसे करेंगे तो it is a 1 out of 4 is shaded or colored. Okay, now you have to convert this into percent. So first write the part. Now it is a 1 by 4 into 100. You have to write in the percent. Now 4 ones are 425s are. So how much percent is the color? 25%. Now in this 1, 2, 3 is colored, 4, 5. Total 5 parts are there. Out of that 3 parts are colored. So now convert this into percent. So for that multiplied by 100. 5 ones are 5 20s are 3 20s are, it is 60%. Now coming to the third question. 1, 2, 3. 3 are colored. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So total 8 parts. So the fraction is 3 by 8. Now 3 by 8 into 100%. Now 4 twos are and 4 twos are 425s are, isn't it? 425s are 100. Now 25 threes are how much we have told? 75 by 2. Now it is a improper, convert into the mixed. 2 how much are 7? 2 threes are 6. 1 remains. 2 sevens are 14. 1 remains. So 37.5%, or in the decimal when you write it will be 37 point. Half can be written as 0.5. 37.5%. Clear? Now coming to the fourth question. Find 15% of 250. 15% off. So 15% is written as 15 by 100. Off means multiplication and 250. Now it is 0, 0 cut. Now it will be 5 twos are 5 fives are. So 15 fives are, it will be 75 by 2. Now 2 threes are 6. 1 remains. 2 sevens are 14. 1 by 2 or 37.5. Here also we got the same answer, isn't it? Okay. Now coming to the second B, it is 1% off. Now 1 hour. 1 hour you can't take the 1% of 1 hour, you can't find. So for that convert hour into minutes. So it will be 60 minutes. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Now you find out 1 by 100 of means multiplication and then it is 60. 0, 0 cut. 2 5s are 2 3s are. Now you got 1 3s are 3 and denominator is 5. It is 3 by 5 minutes. Abhi 3 by 5 minutes you can't have. So convert into the second. So again you have to do 3 by 5 into how many seconds? 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So 5 ones are 5 12s are. So you got 12 threes are 36 seconds. See 1% of 1 hour. So 1 hour you can't find out 1% of 1 hour. याद रखो इधर 1 ऐसे रहेगा 1 kg, 1 liter, 1 meter, 1 hour and all. Then you convert into the smaller unit. Okay. Then you do the solve the sums. अभी इधर ऐसे करके 60 मिनट्स करके किए लेकिन हमें ये मिनट्स आंसर फ्रैक्शन में आया. You can't say 3 by 5 minutes. So convert into the still the lower unit that is seconds. इसके लिए फिर से multiplied by 60 करने का. ठीक है. इधर नेचुरल नंबर 1 2 3 वैसा मिलेगा तो नो प्रॉब्लम. Now 20% of rupees 2500. So 20% means what? 20 by 100 into 2500. Now 1010 cut, 1010 cut. It will be rupees 10. 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4, 5. So answer is rupees 500. Now here again, see 75% of 1 kg. What did I tell? So 1 kg, 1 ऐसे रहेगा तो you have to convert into the smaller unit. So 1 kg is equal to how many grams? 1000 grams. Now solve it. 75 by 100 into 1000. So 20 cut, 20 cut, you get 75 into 10, 750 gram. Or if you say in a kg, if you have to tell in kg, it is 750 upon 1000. It will be how much? It is a 0.75 kg. 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram, isn't it? So grams को 1000 से डिवाइड करो और डिवाइड करने के वक्त इधर 3 0 है तो 3 डिजिट्स राइट साइड से 3 डिजिट ले छोड़कर डेसिमल डालने का. सो 1 2 3 1 2 3. लेकिन इधर 0 उसको निकाल दिए क्योंकि डेसिमल में राइट हैंड साइड में 0 रहेगा तो उसको वैल्यू नहीं है. Is it clear? So we have completed even the fourth question, isn't it? Up to D. Now coming to the fifth question, find the whole quantity of. Now you don't know 5% of it is 600. It के लिए क्या डालेंगे हम? 5% of x is means is equal to 600. समझ में आ रहा है? So इधर whole quantity को find out करने का. So 5% means 5 by 100 into x is equal to 600. अभी x को find out करने के लिए क्या करने का? x को लेफ्ट में रखो, 600 राइट हैंड साइड में है, 100 को न्यूमरेटर में लेकर जाओ और न्यूमरेटर का 5 को डिनोमिनेटर में लेकर आओ. Now 5 1s are 5 20s are. Now x is equal to 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 6 2s are 12. So you got 12,000. Okay. Now coming to question B. 12% of it means of x is equal to rupees 1080. Now 12 by 100 of means multiplication, x is equal to 1080. X is equal to 1080 into डिनोमिनेटर का 100 ऊपर, न्यूमरेटर का 12 डिनोमिनेटर में. 12 ones are 12 nines are 108 and 0. So x is equal to rupees 9 and 1 2 3 zeros. So you got rupees 9,000. Now coming to question number C. So 40% of it means x is equal to 500 kilometer. So it is 40 by 100 into x is equal to 500. X is equal to 500 into 100 divided by 40. 0, 0 cut. Isn't it? 4 ones are 4 25s are. So you got x is equal to 1 0. Now 25 5s are how much we have told? 125. It is given kilometer. So write kilometer. Now 75% of it. 70% of it, sorry. 70% of x is 14 minutes. Now 70 by 100 into x is equal to 14. So x is equal to 14 into 100 upon 70. 0, 0 cut. 7 ones are 7 2s are. X is equal to 10 into 2 20 minutes. Okay. Now coming to इधर x हम फाइंड आउट किए, आप लोग आंसर में ये फिर से लिख सकते हैं. 5% ऑफ 12,000 is 600. 12% of rupees 9,000 is rupees 1080. ऐसे फाइनल आंसर लिख सकते हैं. Now 8% of x is 40 liters. Now 8 by 100 into x is equal to 40. So x is equal to 40 into 100 upon 8. 8 ones are 8 5s are. So x is equal to 500. What is it? Liter. Is it clear? Hope everyone understood. Did you understand, all of you? Okay, we have completed question number 5. Shall we go to the question number 6? Convert the given percents into decimal fractions and also to fractions in simplest form. So सबसे पहले परसेंट को डेसिमल फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट करने का, फिर उसको सिंपलेस्ट में. ओके, नाउ 25% कैन बी रिटन एज 25 by 100, है ना. सो डेसिमल फ्रैक्शन में दिस इज डेसिमल फ्रैक्शन ओनली 25 by 100 एंड छोटा करने के लिए 25 ones are 25 fours are. So answer is 1 by 4. अगर डेसिमल लिखने का है तो 100 डिनोमिनेटर आया, सो यू कैन राइट डेसिमल एज 0.25, इजंट इट? डेसिमल में लिखने को बोलेंगे तो आप लोग 0.25 डेसिमल में लिखो। नाउ 150%, 150 upon 100, so it will be 0 0 cut, this will be 2, 5 2s are 5 3s are, you got 3/2. This is the simplest form. Now in case if you are writing in the decimal number, then it will be, okay, I'll write 150/100, isn't it? So this was cut, you got 15/10, है ना? डिनोमिनेटर 10 100 वैसा आने का, सो 1 decimal will be 1.5. Now 20/100, so 21s are 25s are, so simplest form it is 1/5. But if you are writing it in the this one decimal, it is a 2/10 you will get, then it is 0.2. Now 5%, 5/100, 5 1s are 5 20s are, so it is 1/20. And if you are writing, it is 5/100 only, so it will be 0.2 decimal, so 2 zeros 2 decimal, it will be 0.05. Did you understand? So write in the fraction and convert into the simplest form, and the decimal place, if they ask, write this. For writing in the decimal place, the denominator should be 10, 100, 1000, like that. Okay, now coming to the word problems. In a city, 30% are females and 40% are males, and the remaining are children. What percent are children? Okay. Now percent of females, how many? 30%. Percent of males, how many? 40%. Therefore percent of children. So what did I tell you in the examples? We have found out the oranges, apples and mangoes, isn't it? So total it will be always what? 100. Yes or no? So total it is 100 minus 30 plus 40%. That is 100 minus 70. 100% minus 70%. How much it will be? It will be 30%. So how many are children? 30% of the population are children. Understood? Now coming to question number 8. Out of 15,000 voters in the constituency, 60% voted. Find the percentage of voters who did not vote. मतलब टोटल 15,000 है, उसमें से 60,000 वोटिंग किए, हमें जो वोट नहीं किए हैं उसका परसेंटेज फाइंड आउट करने का और उनके नंबर भी फाइंड आउट करने का है. कैन यू फाइंड हाउ मेनी एक्चुअली डिड नॉट वोट, मतलब नंबर. ओके, टोटल नंबर ऑफ वोटर्स कितने बोले हैं? 15,000. एंड the percent of voters who voted is 60%. Now percent of voters who did not vote कितना आएगा? टोटल 100% है, उसमें से 60% को माइनस करो तो कितना मिला? 40%. 40% did not vote. अभी number of voters who did not vote, 40% did not vote, टोटल कितने हैं? ऑफ 15,000, है ना? 40% ऑफ 15,000. अभी कैलकुलेशन करेंगे. 40/100 into 15,000. 20 कट. Now 1 2 2 है. 15 4 60. तो टोटल कितने हैं? 6,000 people did not vote. तो पहले कितने परसेंट लिखो? 40%. और नंबर में 6,000 वोटर्स डिड नॉट वोट. तो हमें दो क्वेश्चन पूछे हैं ना, परसेंट ऑफ वोटर्स एंड द नंबर ऑफ वोटर्स हु डिड नॉट वोट. डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड? तो डिड नॉट वोट के लिए 100 माइनस 60 करने का, फिर उसका नंबर के लिए 40% ऑफ टोटल, दैट इज 15,000 का. ओके, नाउ कमिंग टू द क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. मीरा सेज ₹4,000 फ्रॉम हर सैलरी. मतलब उसके सैलरी से 4,000 वो बचाती है. इफ दिस इज 10% ऑफ हर सैलरी. अभी सैलरी नहीं दिया है. व्हाट इज हर सैलरी? सैलरी मालूम नहीं है. सो इसके लिए लेट मीरा सैलरी बी ₹X. जो मालूम नहीं है उसको X रखो. नाउ अमाउंट सेव्ड इज हाउ मच? 4,000. So percent of salary saved they have told 10%. इसका मतलब इक्वेशन क्या आएगा? 10% of X total is equal to 4,000. So percent of salary saved is 10%. और amount of salary saved is 4,000. Total मालूम नहीं है. Let it be X. So 10% of X is 4,000. Hope you are understanding. Okay, now you find 10/100 into X is equal to 4,000. Now X is equal to 4,000 into 100 upon 10. 10 cut. It will be 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Then so zeros को काउंट करके आप लोग लिखने का है. So it is ₹40,000 is her actual salary. ₹40,000. Meera's salary is ₹40,000. Clear? Now coming to the last question of 8.2. A local cricket team played 20 matches in one season. It won 25% of them. How many matches did they win? तो टोटल नंबर ऑफ मैचेस, टोटल कितने खेले हैं? 20 मैचेस, है ना. द परसेंट ऑफ मैचेस 1. कितने मैचेस विन हो गए वो लोग? 25%. सो नंबर ऑफ मैचेस 1 डायरेक्ट. सो इट इज 25% ऑफ total. It is 20. So 25/100 into 20. 0 0 cut. 2 1s are 2 5s are नहीं तो 20 1s are 25s are 5 1s are 5 5s are 25. So answer is 5. 5 matches. The cricket team won 5 matches. Did you understand? So जो भी हम ट्राई दीज एग्जाम्पल में अलग अलग टाइप के सम्स किए हैं, थोड़े टफ थे उधर, लेकिन 8.2 में डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चंस दिए हैं. तो इसके लिए दोनों को आप लोग अच्छे से रिवाइज करो. कभी कभी एग्जाम्स में आप लोगों को एग्जाम्पल्स को भी पूछा जाता है. ट्राई दीज के नहीं तो एग्जाम्पल्स के क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है. इसके लिए उनको भी सॉल्व करने को सीखो. And the exercise is easy. You understood? Hope everyone understood the exercise 8.2. Is it okay? Clear? Okay then. Bye. Thank you.